What's up, me homies? We back with Danger Dax White, and let me get in the darkness. I am playing with my RC car. See, as you can see. Stop it, Dad. Bring it to me. Bring it to me, Dad. Dad, bring it. Look, guys. See, look. This is my sick car because why'd you run over my fingers? So I'm gonna drive it now, and my dad's gonna vlog me. So see.
What's up, me homies? Peace out, homies.